Prime Minister Andrew Holness says his administration is looking at removing COVID-19 containment measures over the next few months.
The public should now start to visualize the ending of the DRMA, that is the Disaster Risk Management Act, and the various protocols and restrictions that it underpins. The public should now start to visualize us coming out of the pandemic measures and returning to our full economic capabilities and output.
The Prime Minister says Jamaicans have access to adequate, reliable information and resources about COVID-19. He notes that government interventions to curtail movement to slow the virus spread ultimately hamper economic, social activities and education.
They keep our children out of school. They have a devastating impact on livelihoods, particularly for the poor and vulnerable. They also have severe psychosocial impacts. Therefore, barring any extreme change in circumstances, our approach will be to gradually scale back the restrictive measures once we get out of the fourth wave that we are now experiencing.
Mr. Holness explains that the move to roll back restrictions is in keeping with projections of recovery from the pandemic.
We have to ensure that our economy gets back on track very quickly. So we cannot afford to have the measures impede our economic recovery. And if it is that our vaccination rates don't rise to the level where we can be guaranteed herd immunity, then the government can only help our citizens by providing them with information, encouraging them to get vaccinated.
The Prime Minister was delivering the keynote address during the opening day of the Jamaica Stock Exchange 17th Semi-Virtual Regional Investments and Capital Markets Conference in New Kingston this week.